top story as far as the weather goes, really honing in on that rare wildfire burning in Central Oregon right now. And it comes as no surprise, unfortunately, as we have been extremely dry this winter season, specifically just east of the Cascades. So this is out towards the Lapine area. Of course, we have all the details of where that level 3 go now evacuation order is in place over at KOIN.com. But just a few of the images of those flames definitely looking up high on some of those dry trees and the dry brush across much of the eastern and central sections of the state of Oregon. So very unusual to see during the thick of our rainy season, as those wind gusts are still expected to be quite gusty out towards the Lapine area, out of the southwest, and eventually out of the southeast, which could potentially change the direction and where those flames are burning. And that's why we are going to be keeping a very close eye on this, as hopefully the fire crews can get the upper hand within the next few hours, as those temperatures are well above average, mid-70s for us through the central sections of the Beaver State, low 60s to mid-70s up and down the I-5 corridors. The cloud coverage is closing in on much of the coastline, up in elevation over the Cascades, and of course for much of the valley locations, as our temperatures are actually down anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees here out towards the west, slightly on the warmer side, still remaining out towards the east. All as that atmospheric river remains just to the north of us, missing the Portland-Vancouver area, as our friends in western Washington are feeling the soaking rains, very similar to what we experienced late last week. As the atmospheric river, it is stretching across the Pacific. It's slowly pushing its way further to the south, helping to keep that cloud coverage overhead. But I really think we'll be missing out on the widespread persistent rain showers like our friends to the north will be doing. As the cloud coverage still remains overhead, helping to stabilize those temperatures in the low 50s just after the midnight hour, all part of the ridge of high pressure that continues to build out west, helping to drive that atmospheric river further to the north and keep the cooler pocket of air over the Gulf of Alaska. So not influencing us. If anything, it's this ridge or almost dome of high pressure, another rarity for us during the month of March, to be building over the desert southwest states. And that's really going to be sending us into the summer-like territory. Look at the central plains, 80s, 90s for us come Thursday, triple digits out towards the Phoenix area. And just to give you some perspective, that's about 30 degrees above what is typical for the month of March there in Arizona. As that atmospheric river remains to our north, the cloud coverage stays overhead as we push our way through the rest of the night tonight into our Thursday. That's when we anticipate maybe a stray raindrop or two to once again return to our area. But rain gauges relatively staying dry, at least through the I-5 corridor, closer to an inch for Astoria, as snow elevation levels, they remain well above 7,000 feet. So melting is underway until about Saturday as we lower that snow elevation levels. Our base layer, it is dwindling ever so slowly after the significant snowfall we have seen over the past week. 46 degrees, that's where we fall to tonight. Tomorrow, highs back up into the mid-60s, so that warming trend, it is underway despite the widespread cloud coverage. Warmer out towards the east, so hopefully fire crews can get the upper hand at that fire burning outside the Lapine area. As a few brief rain showers are possible for the official first day of spring that arrives on Friday. A drier weekend taking shape, flirting with 60 degrees for Sunday and plentiful sunshine. Now's the time to relocate those sunglasses as we prepare for the first few days of the brand new season of spring. So something for us all to look forward to.
For sure. And spring break for a lot of kids in Oregon and Washington starting next week. Yeah, and it looks like the weather's pretty decent. I've been
so
here
far everything's stable. Yeah.
Right. I've seen years where it's, you know, rain for 7 days during spring break, so a little bit of dry time, I think.
This one looks more positive for us.
All right. Thank you, Josh.
The conflict overseas